Artificial intelligence is a fascinating field. It's about creating machines that can think like us. These machines can learn and solve problems. They can even make decisions. AI is changing our world rapidly. Think of AI as giving computers a brain. This brain can process information. It can learn from its mistakes. This allows AI to do things we once thought only humans could do. Imagine a future where machines help us with everyday tasks. They could drive our cars, answer our questions, and even help us with complex medical procedures. That's the power of AI. How does AI achieve these amazing things? What makes it capable of performing tasks that once seemed impossible for machines? It all starts with data. Data is the foundation upon which AI systems are built. AI systems learn by analyzing massive amounts of information. This data can come from various sources such as text, images, and even real-time sensor data. Think of it like feeding a computer a giant library of knowledge. The more data it has, the more it can learn. AI uses algorithms, which are like recipes. These algorithms provide step-by-step instructions for the AI to follow. These algorithms tell the AI how to process the data and learn from it. They are crucial for transforming raw data into useful insights. Over time, the AI gets better and better at its tasks. Just like humans, practice and experience make it more proficient. One important concept in AI is machine learning. This is a subset of AI focused on the idea that systems can learn from data. This is where AI systems learn from data without being explicitly programmed. They adapt and improve based on the information they receive. It's like teaching a child to ride a bike by letting them practice, rather than giving them a step-by-step manual. The child learns through experience. Another key concept is deep learning. This is a more advanced form of machine learning. This involves using artificial neural networks which are inspired by the human brain. These networks can process complex data in sophisticated ways. Deep learning allows AI to understand complex patterns and make sophisticated decisions. This capability is what enables AI to perform tasks like image and speech recognition with high accuracy. You might be surprised to learn how much AI is already a part of our lives. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, AI is working behind the scenes to make your life easier and more efficient. Have you ever used a virtual assistant like Siri or Alexa? That's AI in action. These smart assistants can set reminders, play music, and even control your smart home devices. These assistants use natural language processing to understand what you're saying and respond accordingly. They are constantly learning and improving to better serve your needs. AI is also used in social media. Every time you scroll through your feed, AI is at work. The algorithms that show you posts and ads are powered by AI. They analyze your behavior to show you content that is most relevant to you. They track your interests and preferences to deliver a personalized experience. This makes your social media experience unique to you. Self-driving cars are another exciting application of AI. Imagine a world where you can sit back and relax while your car drives you to your destination. These vehicles use sensors and AI algorithms to navigate roads and avoid obstacles. They are designed to make driving safer and more efficient. While still under development, self-driving cars have the potential to revolutionize transportation. They could reduce traffic accidents and make commuting more enjoyable. In healthcare, AI is being used to diagnose diseases, develop new treatments, and even perform surgery. The possibilities are endless. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images with incredible accuracy, assisting doctors in making life-saving decisions. This technology is transforming the way we approach healthcare. Section 4. The two sides of AI: benefits and risks. Like any powerful technology, AI comes with both benefits and risks. It is a double-edged sword that can bring about significant advancements and challenges. It's important to understand both sides of the coin to make informed decisions about its use. On the positive side, AI has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from environmental issues to healthcare. It can help us combat climate change, cure diseases, and improve overall quality of life. AI can also assist in space exploration, allowing us to explore the universe in ways we never thought possible. Additionally, AI can automate tasks, increasing productivity and efficiency in various industries. This automation can make our daily lives easier, handling mundane tasks and giving us more free time. This can free up human workers to focus on more creative and fulfilling endeavors, fostering innovation and personal growth. However, there are also potential risks associated with AI that we must consider. One major concern is job displacement, as AI-powered machines could automate many jobs currently performed by humans, leading to unemployment. This could have significant economic and social implications, affecting millions of workers worldwide. Another concern is the ethical implications of AI, including issues of privacy, security, and bias. As AI systems become more sophisticated, we need to ensure they are used responsibly and don't perpetuate existing biases or create new ones. It's crucial that we develop AI in a safe and ethical manner, with proper regulations and oversight. Ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity and does not harm society is a collective responsibility. By addressing these challenges, we can harness the power of AI to create a better future for everyone. Section 5. The exciting future of AI. The field of AI is still in its early stages, but it's advancing at an incredible pace. The possibilities of AI are virtually limitless, and the future holds incredible potential. Imagine a world where AI helps us solve complex problems like poverty, hunger, and disease. A world where robots work alongside humans, making our lives easier and more fulfilling. As we continue to develop AI, it's essential to approach it with a sense of wonder and responsibility. We need to ask ourselves not only what AI can do, but what it should do. The future of AI is in our hands. Let's use this incredible technology to create a better world for everyone.